Hey millionaires, welcome back to another video. From the title, we are going to be packing, prepping and getting the fuck out of here. So yesterday I went to collect my passport, so today I will be shopping for my suitcase and my footwear, and I will be taking you guys along with me on this journey. So guys, please be prepared and ready to sit back and watch a popcorn and watch me go.
She don't want the limelight, but if you knew it, she lives the lie. She calls her paparazzi, then she acts surprised. Oh, I know what she needs. She just want the fame, I know what she thinks. Give it a little taste, running back to me. Put it in the face, bring it so to keep. Ooh, every night. She prays to the sky, flashing lights, as though she ever wants to. To be popular, fight her dreams to be popular, kill anyone to be popular, sell her soul to be popular, pop you just to be popular. Everybody scream 'cause she popular, she mainstream 'cause she popular, let her be free 'cause she popular.
Alright, so this is basically the package. Came yesterday. Had to rip this open because listen, I am always so excited for a new package. Always. So let's get into it. So first thing first, this is my outfit that I will be wearing to the airport. And then this is the bag that I ordered. So let me show you guys. Oh, and I have these on the ground as well because packages be dirty. Because these packages are dirty. Like, it's so many places that these package have been, and so many different storerooms all over the place, from ground, all kind of something. So I rather to unbox them on the ground. But of course this is already unboxed from yesterday. But anyways, this is the bag. The bag basically matches my suitcase and I love that. And then this is the outfit. The outfit is rose pink. Alright, so you're not going to be able to see this properly, but it is a two-piece crop top pantsuit. And truth to be told, I am so in love with this thing right here. It's a very cute suit, and I can just kind of wait to put this on along with the pants. This is the pants. So as I say, you guys are not going to be able to see it good now until I show you guys that when I'm leaving. But there is the pantsuit and it has pockets at the side. What really took me out with this pantsuit is that it kind of reminded me of cargo jeans. So that's why I really ordered it, and because it's in crop top style and I love crop top. So yeah, so I'm going to show you guys my shoes now that I'm going to show you guys the footwear. So we got the suitcase and we got the shoes right here. Let me just show you guys that. Ta-da! And it is exactly the same color that I wanted. Yeah, I love these so much. Like love. Yeah, so these are what the shoes are looking like. And we got the suitcase. I already showed you guys. Well, you guys must have seen the suitcase in the video. So yeah, so that's what we're looking at. So tomorrow I think I'm going to tomorrow I'm going to get some more stuff done, and I'm going to pick up my packages because my packages have arrived already because I did them on express shipping. So yeah, that's what we're looking at. and I'm so happy for that. So today's hair day. I just sleek my hair back. I just sleek my hair back because we're getting boho braids, and after doing that I'll be coming home to get my stuffs packed because I haven't started packing anything else yet. Plus I won't be vlogging the process of my hair and all of that, but I will be showing you guys the after process after everything is final and after everything is done. So I will be showing you guys the whole packing and process and all. Money on top of her. Money on top of me. Money on top of her. Money on top of me. Money on top of her. Money on top of me. Money on top of her. Money on top of me. Money on top of her. Money on top of me. Money on top of her. Money on top of me. Money. Oh, so now I'm gonna be going to pack. I'm going to pack my suitcase because, as me say, we don't start pack nothing yet, and I don't understand why the hell did I do that, because, girl, you're leaving like so friggin' soon and you're not packed nothing yet. But the greatest thing is that we have everything that we need to be packed, everything that is coming with me. We have all of that, so all I need to do is just get my suitcase now and just put everything in there and pack everything as how it's supposed to be. Excuse my face, I know some my face shine, but bear with me. We just came from the salon, so what do you expect? So after packing, I'm going to take a nice shower and get something to eat.
Minutes prior to our scheduled departure time, everyone is on board, have all the paperwork, so it looks as though we should be leaving just ahead of schedule this morning. Once we get here, board flying time is 1 hour 25 minutes. We should be time to 36,000 feet. Expecting a pretty nice ride once we get past the clouds on the Blue Mountains, and good weather forecast for arrival into Miami.
checked in. By the matter of fact, I have like a 6-hour layover, so yeah, it's gonna be a while in here. Like a 6-hour layover that I'm having, so I won't be like boarding the next flight to my destination until like 3:30. So it's gonna be like it is a very long wait, but we're just here, you know, just chilling and doing all of that stuff. It is really cold, so I don't know what me did I go in a crop top, but I'm glad me did bring me sweater because it's really cold. So I had to pull this on. Just a keynote that the audio on my device is kind of giving a little bit of problem. I don't know why. It's kind of giving a little bit of problem where it's in and out and it's low. So if you guys are hearing me low, then it's because of some technical issues that I'm having at this moment. Also, my personal nails decided to not bring me to my full destination without falling out. They decided to leave me while I was in the plane. So that is why I'm only walking around with 2. But me I go take off soon. So yeah, I just continue. I'm hungry now. Kinda wanted to get something to eat. But I don't even know, because it's just a level of excitement. Like, I am so excited right now. I am so excited right now. I don't even know how to describe the way how I'm feeling. More than all I can say is I am feeling elated, I am feeling blessed, and highly favored as usual. So yeah. So we're just like having a vibes and all of that. So I'll see you guys probably when I'm boarding the next flight, or probably when I reach my destination or whatever.
Let me turn my Uber and lift off. I don't want to get run. Okay, guys.
Okay. Thank you. So good morning, guys. This is actually the other day after arriving, and I must say that we're going to be closing the vlog off here and starting a new vlog right now. So you guys are going to see me in this clothes in the next vlog. Sure that you guys have been keeping up with my shorts, because I have been posting a lot of shorts. So until next time, I'll see you guys into the next vlog. Until next time, I'm your girl Shauna Million, and we're out.